Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. It's Sunday evening and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. I've got 4 days worth of growth and sorry guys, I got caught up in some things and couldn't make the videos. Also need a haircut, but that's here nor there. When you do go a few days without getting, a shave, you can definitely map out your facial hair really well. And as you can see, my hair tends to grow in this direction, and here kind of gets up and swirly. And, for a beginner, it's really a good idea to figure out which way your beard growth actually goes, because it does make for a little bit more pleasant of a shave. All right, so today's shave soap, I feel like I'm missing some stuff here on my my little shelf. Today's shave soap is the Final Shaving Soap. Look at that label. This is made by American Vintage Soap Company, and on the website, it kind of alludes to the fact that this will be the last shave soap you'll ever buy because it's the final one. I'm probably stretching that a little bit, but Robert reached out to me and wanted me to do a review of his soap, and I said, sure, thumbnail. And so this soap is, let me open it up here. It comes in a metal tin, and I actually took 1/4 teaspoon out of there, and you can see there's so much soap in it that it started smashing it back down. But there's 4.8 ounces of soap in here, and the scent profile on this one is alpha. Now, I had to kind of look on the website a little bit, and I took some notes because I wanted to, do a good presentation for this. And the ingredients is a pretty minimal amount of ingredients. So it's got organic virgin coconut oil, stearic acid, and essential oil blend. So whichever scent that you get, it's going to have that combination of essential oils in there. And this particular flavor is the alpha. So it's a cinnamon bark, clove, lemon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. And for me, my nose does pick up just an ever so slightly amount of the cinnamon, and then definitely the lemon and eucalyptus. I don't really pick up the rosemary, which I was a little leery on, and the clove, but overall it's a nice scent. I do have it whipped up here in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I used 1/4 teaspoon and 10 milliliters of water using my Semouge Boar brush. And it really produced a nice lather. I'm going with the Boar brush today because I've got a little bit extra growth, and I wanted to be able to have that extra backbone to help lift up those hairs and get the soap underneath of it, and do a little bit of mild or gentle exfoliation as well. And this is a pleasant scent. I have not shaved with it, but I will say that this will be the first time I am shaving with it. And there's like a little black fly flying around in here. Got him. Anyway, I'm going to be using the Italian Barber Gamechanger 0.84 with the open comb, and this is the top plate that I put on my vertical mill, and I thought it would be kind of cool to put the little, make some grooves in there along to match the I feel like my camera's a little off. I bonked the thing there. But anyway, I thought that would match the teeth well. So I've got a bowl full of warm water, and I'm going to warm up the razor and get going with pass number 1. I have a Gillette 7 o'clock yellow blade in here, and it is effortlessly mowing down my stubble. I anticipate my bowl to get pretty nasty here. I would say if I pushed another day or two past it, I would probably get kind of past that itchy, scratchy phase. There's not a whole lot of residual slickness here on the soap, but it does give a nice shave feel. And the Gamechanger is just mowing it down. I love the Gamechanger. So thank you, Robert, for sending me this soap and trusting me in a review. And everybody that's been watching knows I do honest reviews. If I don't like something, I'm not going to bash it or talk bad about it, but I will explain why I don't like something. Or if I do like it, I'll tell you why I like it. And I will put a link in the description box below with the website in case you are interested in going and picking some up. I didn't see anything as far as splashes on there. I do think he has some beard oil. So for pass number 1, you can tell I've got some stuff that I missed, but pass number 2 will have no problem mowing it down. That's that troublesome area. It's what, you know, these little deals where you kind of experiment around and try things out, it really helps you find those trouble areas and, you know, give you an idea of why. May have to do 3 passes. I don't know. Let's go with pass number 2 across the grain. I do have some there. Had some clogging there. Too much growth. And if you've ever shaved with like Cartridge razors or any of those multi-blades, you know that the first blade is always the blade that clogs up. And with this being a single blade, I wouldn't know why it wouldn't do any different. It should be the first one to clog up, the only one to clog up. Probably would have been a good idea to hit it with a trimmer first. But I wanted to see, did I get myself back there? Oh yeah. Got a couple of those little skin tags or something. Will not fault the soap, blade, or razor. Just, you know, sometimes it happens. I want to get cleaned up with some cold water. I'll be back to see if I need any additional passes. Excellent. It did exactly what I wanted it to do to eliminate a little bit of growth. I'm going to follow it up with some star jelly. I don't have a splash that I could really think of that would go with this. I thought about blue Samhain, probably go pretty good, or gingerbread man would probably go pretty good too. But anyway, that's the shave for the day. Excellent soap. I feel like it did really well. I'll put a picture right here of everything I used, and I will see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend.